Hello, friends. Machine learning is making a huge impact in the finance world. Worldwide, the market of AI into the fintech area is skyrocketing, and now it has been increased from $9.15 billion in 2022 to around $11 billion in 2023. That means, on average, they're growing at around 26% each year. Now, for people or candidates who are looking out for new opportunities into the finance world, learning of machine learning and your AI has become very, very important. But why companies are being bullish on these areas now? Because AI can help them to identify errors in complex data. It can help them to streamline their entire process of decision making. Second, it also helps them to leverage historical data in a much better way. For example, looking at stocks and bonds and their historical information. And thirdly, businesses are enthusiastic and they're talking about AI's ability to understand decision making, looking at forecasting and trends, and also managing the risk in their near future. This gives them a good amount of predictability and helps them to manage the overall risk in finance in a much better way. So, as a candidate, the traditional roles are now going to go out because the technology is entering into finance very fast. So, for you to become better, it is not just about coding, it is also about understanding the business in a much better way. To stand out, learn ML, learn AI, also understand what the business is. That is where majority of the jobs are going to be there.